Hi. So I did a thing. I seem to have broken the internet, specifically in Poland. I'm not exactly sure how I got onto Polish TikTok. I'm a Canadian, and I made a silly video where I talked about my chicken tea. Chicken tea is chicken broth. That's all. I just happen to put it in a mug, and I'm a whimsical bitch, so I call it chicken tea. It's got nothing really in it so that I can put it in a mug and sip it on like my way to work from a travel mug. But I woke up this morning to completely packed stuff with comments like this. It's Rosso, not chicken tea. You're right. It's chicken broth. But just so you know, Poland didn't invent chicken broth either. Humans have been boiling bones for centuries, long before countries were invented. So, all of you coming on here and saying, this is a Polish dish, it's just chicken broth, man. You guys seem to be really, really upset about it, though. So, this is my formal apology to Poland. But you should maybe go outside and touch some grass, because this is far too excited over chicken broth. Okay, bye.